The Industrial Vehicle Safety Management System SF110 is a device to assist forklift drivers to standardize driving safety management. It has for core functions driver permission management, seat belt management, speed limit and overspeed reminder function, driver abnormal behavior analysis function, and vehicle safety management cloud platform. By standardizing the safe driving habits of forklift drivers and promoting the safe operation of forklifts, the goal of safe production is achieved. SF110 has the driver identity recognition function. To start the vehicle through identity recognition. Identity recognition can be achieved through facial recognition, fingerprints, and card swiping. Without identity recognition, or if the identity recognition is unsuccessful, the vehicle cannot be started. SF110 has a seatbelt alarm function. When the driver fails to wear the seatbelt according to regulations, the system continuously reminds the forklift operator to operate according to regulations. At this time, the vehicle cannot start until the seatbelt is fastened. If the seatbelt is unfastened while driving, a sudden alarm will sound and a warning of danger will be given. Please fasten the seatbelt. When the driving speed exceeds the specified speed, the sound and light warning lights will flash and sound an alarm to warn the driver. Continuous speeding will impose speed limits on vehicles. You can choose to lock or limit the speed according to your needs. When the driver leaves the forklift seat, the system will continuously remind the driver to turn off the engine when leaving. After more than 1 minute, the system detects that the vehicle has not turned off, automatically turning off the vehicle. SF110 is equipped with driver behavior monitoring function, which can accurately identify smoke, make phone calls, sleep-deprived driving, etc. illegal driving behaviors, and synchronously upload events to the cloud platform. The management department of the enterprise can inquire about forklift violations through the cloud platform, such as records of speeding, illegal driving, and not wearing seat belts. It is also possible to generate work data reports for enterprise management to be well documented.